Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. This is Easy, Beautiful Guitar Chords Up and Down the Neck, Volume 6. In this one, we're going to take a simple D major chord shape. We're going to move it up and down the neck of the guitar, and I'm going to give you the name of every single one that I play. We'll also explore some basic chord progressions using this shape. The first chord is a D major chord, and the guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll play that chord at fret 2, my index finger is at fret 2. We'll move it up to fret 4. Now we have a D6 suspended 2, sharp 11. We'll move it to fret 5, and we have a D minor 7. To fret 7, we have a D6 suspended 4. Fret 9, D major 7 suspended 2. Fret 10, D minor flat 6. Fret 12, D suspended 9th. And then if we can get up to fret 14, we have another D chord, D major, high D major, low D major, an octave apart. Now if we go back in the other direction, we're going to be playing a D major chord, fret 12, D suspended 9th, fret 10, D minor flat 6, fret 9, D major 7 suspended 2, fret 7, D6 suspended 4, back to fret 5 with the D minor 7, fret 4, D6 suspended 2, sharp 11, and then we're going to go to fret 3 for D suspended flat 6, flat 9, and then move to fret 2. So what we did there was we went from 5, 4, 3, 2. And that sounds kind of like Chicago's Wishing You Were Here. So we're going to start at 5, 4, 3, 2. Also, we can take any two of these and make a chord progression out of them. If we start at fret 5, go up to fret 7, sounds like this. Change the timing. Let's say if we went from 7, 5, down to 4. Sounds like this. And take it on down. If we go from fret 9 to 10, if we go from fret 7 to 9, has this kind of sound. Always go back to our D chord like that. Alright, and it should be pretty easy for you to play around with this chord shape and come up with your own chord progressions for songwriting or song ideas. That's Easy Beautiful Chords Up and Down the Guitar Neck, Volume 6, using our D shape. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.